Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USN Mix channel. Today's topic is how smiley emoji started. Know its interesting story. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments, and also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. This is how smiley emoji started. Know its interesting story. Today users use smiley emoji during chatting from WhatsApp to Instagram and Facebooks. Everywhere in chatting you have seen this emoji, and interestingly now users express their feelings only by sending emojis for laughter and love and angry or anything about your feelings. But do you know when and how the emoji started? Harvey Oswald invented smiley emoji. No interesting story here, so let's know in detail about this. How can emoji started? Smiley emoji started in 1963. In the year 1963, a US based insurance company approached Harvey Oswald, who runs a public relations company, to persuade and enrage his angry employees. Then the company told Harvey Oswald that we have merged with another company due to which our employees are angry. After this, Harvey Oswald made a laughing yellow face, after which all the employees were very happy. Since then it is known as smiley. At the same time, Harvey Oswald took $45, approximately 3,100 in Indian currency, to make this laughter face. So Harvey Oswald charges rupees 3,100 in Indian currency or whatever in dollar, $45, to make this yellow face laughing smiley emojis. Now smiley face stamp. Smiley emojis became very popular among people. This was the reason that in 1971 about 5 crore smiley face buttons were sold. Not only this, in 1999 the US Postal Department also issued a smiley face stamp. Smiley was first used in computer on 19 September 1982. For the first time, professor at Carnegie Mellon University in US, Scott E. Fahlman, used this smiley in computers. Since then, smiley's practice has grown rapidly in computers. 68% of youth use smiley emoji. According to the media report, 68% of youth ages 19 to 25 use emoji during daily chat. On the other hand, 48% of people over 50 use smiley during conversation. So this is about the report of how this emoji invented. But now we will watch the website report about this topic. So go to the website and have a look. Okay friends, now we will watch the website report for when emoji started and when this emoji invented and who invented this emoji. Emoticons were invented 33 years ago today, and they have basically shaped human communication. On September 19, 1982, Carnegie Mellon professor Dr. Scott Fahlman invented this first emoticon, the humble smiley. And 19 September 82, Scott E. Fahlman, from Scott E. Fahlman, I propose that the following character sequence for joke maker. So he make this emoji. You have seen this type of emoji, and read it's sideways. Actually it is probably for more emotional, to mark things that are not jokes given current trends for this use. So from there it will be invented 33 years ago on today, and every September 19, that is today, by the way, Fahlman hands out smiley face cookies and Carnegie Mellon's campus in Philadelphia, and they have evolved into emoji, which is different to intimately connected. Emoticons are spelled out with type like the smiley face in Fahlman's emails above, when emoji are actually pictures shown below. So this picture invented. Emoticons are much more vital today than they were in 1982. In 2015, Americans spent a reported 26 minutes a day texting and 6 minutes a day on calls. It is a trend that's been growing since 2008, and now we send 5 times as many texts as phone calls, the Chicago Tribune reports. Emoticons and emoji have special place in text messages. Consider media richness theory, which grew out organizational psychology back in 1980s, and basically media richness theory states that the different mediums in persons, video conferencing, phone calls, text, have different richness of signals. When you talk to someone in persons, you see their expression and gesticulations, which are preserved in video conferencing but not on the phone or by text. When you are on the phone with someone, you get their tone of voice, which you don't get over text. Since so much of communications is embedded in the emotional contents of vocal tone, losing all that means that the signals we send via text have less richness, less strength of signal. Emotions and emoji are the best adaptation that we have to this era of text-based communications. Take it from Harvard linguist Steven Pinker. Emoji happen to have not become entrenched yet, but as with many of our punctuation symbols like question marks or an exclamation point, they are there to convey some communication force that would not be obvious just from the arrangement of words on the page, he told us on an interview. So this is the report of this how can emoji invented in 33 years ago. In 1982, Professor F. Falcon invented this emoji, and without smileys and hearts and had sad faces, communication in 2005 would not just be starved for emotions, and it would be very, very. So this is about the report. So emoji invented approximately 33 years ago. Dr. Scott Fulham invented this first emotion, and on 19 September 1982, Carnegie Mellon professor in US, Dr. Scott Fulham invented this first emoticon or emoji. Okay friends, now we'll watch the website report for this how emojis started, and this is how smiley emoji started. No, it's interesting story. So today's topics is how smiley emoji started. So now we'll watch the website report. So here the news, and today users use smiley emoji during chatting from WhatsApp on to Instagram or Facebook. Anywhere, whenever there is chatting options, there is an emoji. Interestingly, now users express their feelings only by sending emojis for laughter and love. But do you know the when and how the emoji started? So let's know the detail about this. Smiley emoji started in 1963. Page contents: smiley emoji started in 1963. Smiley face stamp, and smiley was first used in computers. 68% of youth use smiley emoji. Smiley emoji started in 1963. Whatever, in the year 1963, a US-based insurance company approached Harvey Rasbel, who runs a public relation company, to persuade and enlarge his angry employees. Then the company told Harvey that we have merged with another company due to which our employees are angry. After this, Harvey made a laughing yellow face, after which all employees were very happy. Since then, it is known as Smiley. At the same time, Harvey took $45, about rupees 3,100 in Indian currency, to make this laughing face, to make this emoji. And a smiley face stamp, smiley emojis became very popular among people. This was the reason that in 1971 about 5 crore smiley face buttons were sold. Not only this, in 1999 the US Postal Department also issued smiley face stamp. And smiley was first used in computer on 19 September 1982 for the first time. Professor at Carnegie Mellon University, US, Scott E. Fulham has used smiley in computers. Since then, smiley practice has grown rapidly in computers. So basically in 1982 the professor of Carnegie Mellon University, US, Scott E. Feldman used this smiley in computers, invented this smiley emoji in computers. And 68% of youth use emojis according to the media report. 68% of youth ages 19 to 25 use emoji during daily chat. Whatever he or she is chatting with, chatting through this WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram or Reddit, everywhere in chatting there is a emoji options. So on the other hand, 48% of people over 50 use smiley during conversation. Okay friends, that's it. And after watching this video, now you can know the detail about how smiley emoji started and who invented this emoji. So now you know the detail about the how this emoji invented. Hope you will enjoy this video and like this video. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our USN Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to talk more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USN Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.